front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Select Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now select Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options though, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to make them visible, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Over to Save Passwords option is on. Log in to any app and wait for the pop-up to show up. When it does, select Save at the bottom right corner of it and go back to the same settings. Now, with those options visible, hit Add Password at the top and input all of those informations. Over here, type in any website or choose Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!